Guys, it's your girl Caro NG here again, and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. So today's video is all about dark cleaning. I don't know if you've ever had the energy to clean at night. This video should motivate you to do so. Without further talking, let's get into the video. Look at my living room. It's just a total mess. Mama, ambia watu hi guys. Ambia, how are you? So that's the condition. We have just finished eating, and hey, my God, I'm working on a project there that I must finish today night. So I don't think I'm even going to sleep. So I need to clean up this. But before doing that, I'm going to take my baby to bed so that I can work in a clean environment. So we're going to do this together. I hope it's going to motivate someone. This is simply and actually dark cleaning. Yeah. I decided to start by folding the clothes that were on the seat so that it will be easy for me to just clear up everything.
Way back, and in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you. I'll lie to you to find the truth that you hold back. So stay with me. You know that I'll follow. I can't breathe. Together we'll fall apart.
Work, parenting, and house chores are one of the most difficult things for me, but I, however, try to balance all of them because I don't have any alternative other than doing them.
Together we'll fall apart.
On this day, I think I had done a lot of cleaning, and that's why I folded a lot of clothes.
And you're calling me to over dramatically talk to me, and it's so funny, you're all I wanted, and I can't talk, want you out of my life, so say none. I'll wait for days if you ain't one, I'll say none. So stay with me.
I later proceeded to collect all dirty utensils and also my baby's toys, which were lying everywhere.
Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay with me. Together we'll fall apart.
At some point, I even realized that I had not unpacked my baby's bag after she left the daycare. So here I was just trying to get every dirty cloth that she had worn during the day and also her lunch box.
Together we'll fall apart. Stay here.
My floor was not also looking good. I just swept it through because I had tried to clean the carpet a previous day, so it was not looking very dirty. Later, I proceeded to the kitchen to just prepare some groundnuts as I was cleaning my utensils.
Artificial love, we just
I started by first sorting the groundnuts because I didn't know if they were clean enough because I had gotten them from a cereal shop.
we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush, I never meant to fall.
I was roasting just a half a kg because it takes us for a few weeks, I think around 3 weeks.
'Cause reality will never be good enough, and even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love, artificial love, artificial love, we just make it up. 'Cause reality will never be good enough, and even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was this touch. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was this touch. Artificial love, artificial love, artificial love, we just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know?
I will just allow them to cook as I wash utensils. I think within 15 minutes they're going to be ready. Here I was just using my hand to put them in the tray because there was some water that was at the bottom and I didn't want to put in water.
Artificial love, artificial love, artificial love, we just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love.
I just realized that dark cleaning is very therapeutic and you just feel like cleaning even more. I think from this, I'm just embracing just doing my cleaning at night.
Artificial love. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times.
My utensils were not very many and within a few minutes I was just done cleaning them, and it was such a coincidence that my groundnuts got ready at the same time I just finished cleaning.
No, I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
The groundnuts are here and they are ready. So I'll just leave them this way. No, I'll not leave them this way. Let me put them in a container. Then we're going to be scooping a little day by day as we take our 4 o'clock tea and our breakfast. Yep. In the meantime, let me go and take a shower so that I can begin working on my project. Before proceeding to take a shower, I just decided to scrub my face using the apricot facial scrub.
Should tell you, babe, that lately I get lost thinking about you. I admit that I can't be without you. The air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, I want to. Shut all the world down, just you and me.
This was after showering. I just went ahead to just finish up my project. this was a successful dark clean. At least there was some clean working environment. So I wish to end this video here. Let me see you in my next one.